1995 Nissan Cedric 3.0 VQ30. All right, guys, did you get all that? 1995 Nissan Cedric VQ30 6-cylinder, right-hand drive, all the way from Japan. So I know you guys haven't seen much of these. It's really cool. Check it out, guys. All right, what we got done on it? Factory converter there, downpipe there, converter, and then we ran 2.25 pipe all the way back, and he brought his own muffler, a DTM 108. Be a link in the description for it there. Okay, out the back, dual outlet tip. Look at it right there. We got it all welded and put on for him. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. There it is. It's a Cedric Gran Turismo. We'll let you guys see the inside and everything of it in a second. Really clean car. It's only got 70,000 miles on it. All original. Gee, you said 70,000, right? Oh, 50,000 miles. Sorry, guys. Correction. 50,000 miles on it. All original. There's the old exhaust that was on it. There's the muffler. There's the resonator. Had a weird configuration on it. We cut it all off and ran it single. Make it sound better. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And it's a 4-door. Look at that. Right-hand drive. Ha, that's awesome. Look at that, guys. Really clean. There's the back. 50,000 miles, guys. All original. Look at that. That's so cool. I love it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Nissan Cedric. Not too bad. Just blowing out all this stuff. There it is. There's sound decibels. Again. Right at 100. Go ahead and back it out. Look at that thing. Who else has this on their channel? That's so cool. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. Look at that, guys. V6 300 twin can 3000 twin can 24 valve. I like it. Their license plates back there. It's cool. Everything is Japanese. That is so cool. Look at that, Nissan Cedric 3.0. That is so cool. So it's got, we took the resonator out, ran 2.25 pipe all the way back into a DTM muffler. We'll try to get you guys a link for the muffler. There's less than 400 in the US, guys. And one came to our shop. We appreciate them coming out. Never know what you get in this shop. I love it. Never a dull moment. There you go. That's so cool. Enjoy, guys.